Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, June the 24th. A little hotter today, but the air more unstable. And by golly, we've got some active thunderstorms to talk about. Let's go right to some of the Skycam shots around the network. First off, a sunrise scene captured this morning from the Birmingham Skycam, about 6:20. And indeed, we have seen much more sunshine today, and accordingly, the air is more unstable, and we've seen some pretty healthy storms in pockets this afternoon, but not everywhere. There's the Fayette Skycam, and you can see the sky is mostly sunny there, but really not that far away. We've got some pretty active storms up in the Tennessee Valley. That's the Huntsville Skycam, and you can see a pretty good rain shaft there, not too far from Huntsville. In fact, as I do this update, we have a number of counties up in the Tennessee Valley under severe thunderstorm warnings. Check the water vapor satellite shot, and again, you can see the weakness in the ridge still there, and big storms are firing near the base of that trough up over extreme North Mississippi, North Alabama, and much of Tennessee. And there's the radar at 2:08, and look at all those warnings for North Mississippi and North Alabama. I guess about, a dozen of them. And, of course, the main issue would be hail and strong straight-line winds and wet microbursts. No tornado threat with this type of pattern. And look at all the lightning as well. So folks up to the north getting very active weather, and more than likely those will develop southward. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center has posted a severe thunderstorm watch for a pretty good chunk of North Mississippi, about the northern half of Alabama. It does include Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, in parts of North Georgia and southern Tennessee. And we'll just kind of see how those storms behave in coming hours. We'll keep an eye on them. And actually, there's no formal severe weather risk down here. There's a slight risk to the northwest and northeast, but obviously, again, these summer storms can be very problematic, trying to forecast them, the placement, the intensity. We talk about that a lot, but they're very pesky and hard to deal with. Tomorrow, slight risk area as well to the north of here, through parts of the nation's heartland. Check the QPF chart. Overall rain expected for the next 5 days, and this is valid through Wednesday morning at 7 o'clock. And again, understand as you look at this, the rainfall distribution will be very uneven over the next 5 days. Some folks might pick up 1 inch of rain in 30 minutes, others with nothing. You know how that goes. But again, the trend will be for decreasing numbers of showers and storms each day, but every day they'll be out there. In the tropics, things are pretty quiet again across the Atlantic basin, but we note the northern and western Gulf remains a little unsettled. There's no evidence of any lowered pressures down there, but we'll keep an eye on that. You know, the GFS has been kind of hinting at some kind of homegrown system down there in the backyard next week. And, let's just take a look. This is the 12Z GFS valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. Still got that general weakness in the ridge, but the heights are coming up. And again, tomorrow should be your classic summer day. Partly sunny, hot, humid, a chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, mainly during the afternoon and evening hours. I mean, that's exactly what you expect this time of the year, with highs in the low 90s. Chance of any one spot getting wet will be about 1 in 3. Sunday, not a lot of difference here. Again, the showers might be a little fewer in number as the heights come up. Mid-90s are likely Sunday. The GFS is showing 95. The NAM is showing 93. And Monday of next week, yeah, that looks hot. Look at the 594 ring. Our friends in Dallas-Fort Worth will be baking. You'll probably see triple digits out there. And around here, mid-90s are likely. A weak northerly flow aloft. And again, there's enough moisture for a shower or storm in a few spots. We'll mention that. They should be widely scattered. Tuesday, pretty much the same deal. Mid-90s, a few widely scattered showers and storms. And Wednesday. Now, on this run, note down there in the Gulf, the GFS is not developing a tropical low. And don't be shocked if it comes right back. Every run's going to look different, but there has been a lot of consistency in the idea of a tropical low forming to the Yucatan, moving over toward the mouth of the Rio Grande. Shouldn't affect us one way or the other. And there's Thursday. Same deal. And a week from today, pretty strong shortwave to the north up on the Canadian border, coming across the high plain states, trying to beat the ridge down just a little bit. And again, that would be pretty typical weather as we kind of kick off that 4th of July weekend. Hot, humid, partly sunny, a storm in spots. And we will watch the deeper moisture down there in the Gulf. Obviously, it's a big, big tourist weekend for the Gulf of Mexico, and we'll see how that plays out. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is July 10th. Looks like July 10th, doesn't it? Winds aloft, light and variable. Core of the stronger winds aloft are way up in Canada, and again, just no evidence of any major change there. Hot, sticky, some spots maybe picking up a shower or storm. All right, that's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters, the internationally beloved meteorologist, will have the video updates both tomorrow and Sunday. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. That's ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Being Alabama's news leader means digging deeper to get you the facts, working harder so you have all sides of the story, and not being afraid to tell the truth. Every day you award us by making ABC 3340 Alabama's most watched news. And now the Associated Press has named us Alabama's most outstanding news operation. That's 9 times since 1996, more than all other stations combined. And that's 9 more reasons you should trust the news leader. ABC 3340.